Okay, show me.
Living things, living things, non-living things, non-living things, living things, living things, living things, non-living things, non-living things, non-living things, living things, non-living things. Plant is living things.
Why not?
Because can do everything.
Oh, no.
Plants can eat the water and eat the food.
Really?
The soil have food for the plant. That's why
How to cooking?
the leaf.
Oh.
The leaf can cook the food. And then do you know how to the roots suck the food or the water? And then you throw it to the stem. And then go to the leaf and then cook the food. And then throw it to the flower.
And have a fruit as well.
Yes.
Okay, next.
And that's why plant is living things. It is 26.
Yes, 26.
Page 26.